But what we're seeing is the fact that this has become such a high-level media story. What I want to do is I want to challenge and offer information, facts, for those out there who are willing to listen. If there's some people that are listening to us right now, Verge, they ain't trying to hear what we have to say. They got their minds made up. They hate cops. There's nothing you or I could say to convince them otherwise. But you have other people who are on the fence and they see these issues going on in the world. And they're just like, what the heck? What's happening? Mm-hmm. They have legitimate and honest questions, and those questions deserve to be answered. Right. But unfortunately, you're not going to get that information from the mainstream media. One of the things that, I don't know if you saw the video from Killer Mike, the rapper Killer Mike. Mm-hmm. I don't agree with the man. There's a video that's going viral. He spoke in Atlanta last night because of all the rioting that was going on. And I don't agree with him a lot in a lot of political areas. But one thing he said, when CNN station was attacked last night, rioters hit it, he told him, and this is a man who leans very left. He's extremely liberal, very socialistic policies, was a major supporter of Bernie Sanders. Even he said, CNN, he said, I love y'all, but karma is like a mother is what he said. He said, stop preaching hate, stop preaching fear all the time. And that's my whole point. What we're getting the fires of fear are being stoked continually. And if you hear something over and over again, eventually people just start believing it. So what I'd like to do, man, if I'm allowed a little bit of time throughout the course of our time together, I'm going to offer some counter facts and data. And this isn't me talking. This is the hard data. This is from various sources. I'm talking about the FBI Uniform Crime Report.
Come on. That's what we're here for. Come on, bring it.
Let's start. Let's start with something very simple. How often do police officers use deadly force? And this is not just killings. We're talking about deadly force, period. Even shooting the gun and hitting someone, that's a deadly force action. According to a 2011 study, and if anyone out there is interested, take notes and research what I'm sharing with you. Don't just trust me. Write down the information that I'm giving you, and then you do your own research. According to a 2011 study by the National Institute of Justice, out of an estimated 40 million contacts with the public, it was estimated that officers use force on, and get this number, 0.0000286% of the time. That's how often, out of 40 million contacts that the police make each year, one more time, an estimated 0.0000286% of the time officers use force. I'm just getting warmed up, brother.